if we act now and act boldly, if we start rewarding hard work and responsibility once more, if we act as citizens and not partisans and begin again the work of remaking America, then I have faith that we will emerge from this trying time even stronger and more prosperous. And the time for action. Because of what we did, there will now be police on the beat, firefighters on the job, and teachers preparing lesson plans who thought they would not be able to continue pursuing their critical missions. The system we have now might work for the powerful and well-connected interests that have run Washington for far too long, but I don't. The unemployment rate has now surpassed 8%, the highest. So to those who say we have to choose between healthcare reform and fiscal discipline, I say that making investments now that will dramatically lower healthcare costs for everyone won't add to our budget deficit in the long term. It's one of the best ways to reduce. All of us are now moving aggressively to get our banks lending again. I would sooner take action now than hesitate and face graver consequences later. We have a responsibility to act, and to act now. The most important thing we can do to put this era of irresponsibility in the past is to take responsibility now. And now's the time to meet our energy challenge, one of the greatest challenges we've ever confronted as a people or as a planet. And it's led to new jobs building roads, bridges, and other infrastructure projects, thousands of which are only beginning now. Right now in Washington, our Senate and House of Representatives are both debating proposals for health insurance reform. Under the reform plans in Congress, small businesses will be able to purchase health insurance through an insurance exchange, a marketplace where they can compare the price, quality, and services of a wide variety of plans, many of which will provide better coverage at lower costs than the plans they have now. As I said before, it will take many more months to fully dig ourselves out of a recession that we've now learned was even deeper than anyone thought. But I'll continue. That's the healthcare system we have right now. Care, higher costs, denied coverage, or bureaucrats getting between you and your doctor, then you should know that that's what's happening right now. In the past, right now. To cite just one hopeful indicator, New Orleans is the fastest growing city in America, as many who've been displaced are now coming home.